Quick lay of the land. Your dashboard is a home base, a snapshot of what needs attention. Down the left-hand side is the sidebar, grouped the way you actually work. Leads up the top, then estimates, projects, finance, your contacts. That's your trades and your suppliers. And communication at the bottom. Each group expands to show what's inside. We'll dig into all of them. Top right, you've got your notifications bell, quick links to demos and docs, and your profile menu where settings live. Two small things that make a big difference day to day. First, dark mode, this toggle up here. One click and the whole portal goes dark. It's easy on the eyes if you're working at night. Click again to go back to the light mode. Your choice sticks. Second, the sidebar. See this button on the top of the menu. Collapse it and the sidebar shrinks to just icons, giving you more room for the work. Hover over any icon and it still tells you what it is. Expand it whenever you want the labels back. Small touches, but you'll use them every day.